before them, CCA Youth had beaten them in the semi-finals, and they beat back them in the finals. Okay, I'll start with the award ceremony. People have to leave for another NCC tournament, so I'll try to wrap it up fast. So first, I'll go with the batsmen, the bowlers in the regular season. And unfortunately, I don't think we have any bowlers here, but let me still try. Do we have Arjun Ramesh from Mammoths?
Arjun.
Ramesh, no. Okay. He's the best bowler from the Kapil division. I'll see him. I'll give him the trophy. Yeah.
Thank you guys. No respect.
And then, do we have Sher Ali from Crick Nation?
Sher Ali.
He was the best bowler from the Rana Tunga division in the regular season. There's the trophy for him. And then, who is going to collect this? Sujesh Pulikar from CCA Youth. Best bowler. Who is coming from CCA?
Okay, speech of Sujesh Uncle.
Okay, yeah. Sit down and be on the
Sujesh Uncle.
After the ball very close to the wicket, then you get more bounce. There is no for the batsman to play.
Okay.
Good Chandra.
Okay, now we'll go with the batsmen from the regular season. Pratik Tandon from Vikings, best batsman from Rana Tunga. Do we have Pratik or anybody from Vikings? No, they all play NCCA. Aha! Mr. Iftikhar Khan from Golden Hills, best batsman from Kapil division. Look at the camera over there.
That's the under 17.
I'm very happy you got it.
Congratulations.
Thanks. Okay, Ajay Arora from United, Rana Tunga division. NCC playing. Alright, now this is a very important trophy. This is for the batsman who had the highest runs in the overall league, and he's none other than from Vinay Suri from CCA. There's one more award for the best batsman, and that's Shantanu Divakar from Sox. Unfortunately, he's not here, and he was the second best batsman, but I had already announced that he will get the trophy, and so I'm going to give him the trophy as well. Okay. So maybe somebody from Sox can come collect on his behalf, Mr. Jagat. Oh, you want to take it on his behalf? Thank you. Yeah. Good job. Alright, good job. Okay, now let's start with the trophies for the regular season. Okay, for the regular season, from Kapil division, Golden Hawks, come on Meva, come on over there. Runners up for the regular season. Want to say something? No. Okay. And actually they were tied with another team from the Kapil division, and that's Demons. Demons, come on Malik bhai, come on. Give them a good hand. And from Imran division, the regular season runners-up goes to CCA Youth. Come on. Once again. I need more people from CCA Youth.
Go guys.
I'm the youth. I make the youth.
Hey, your Nala's hanging out, man.
Come on, hold the trophy.
Hold the trophy, guys.
Yeah. Good job, good job. Give them a applause. Look at the camera.
Alright. Good job, you guys. Congrats.
Alright, now the champions from the regular season. From Rana Tunga division, Tracy United. Anybody from Tracy United? Tracy! You want to come and collect on his behalf? Come on.
Yeah, it's okay, baby. We're done.
Regular season champions from Rana Tunga division, Crick Nation.
Crick Nation.
Somebody from Crick Nation? I'll give them the trophy.
Okay, quiet.
Just slow down. I mean, it's slow. Yeah, that one. See what's wrong.
Alright, regular season champions from Imran division, none other than Socks. Come on, Shagan bhai. This way. Yeah.
Okay, stop pulling mama clothes.
Got it?
Amisha, was your frisbee?
This trophy is from the regular season champions from Couple division, none other than our champions of today, Broncos.
Woo!
Come on, Broncos.
Hey, Amisha, can you hold mama purse?
Come on, the whole team.
Can you hold mama purse?
No, come on, everybody.
Okay.
What's wrong, Amisha?
And
She's
now the playoff
sleeping.
trophies, as you all know, today Broncos won and CC Youth were the runners-up. So runners-up trophies
guys,
for
go,
CC
go.
Youth. Come on, guys. Everybody, frame by, come on, please. You need to be here.
Okay, here we go.
You guys
Here we go.
missing
Here.
today. What happened?
Who is the one behind you, Roshan? Alright.
What happened?
Look here, what happened?
She's sleeping.
Come forward, walk.
Oh, come forward.
Okay, let's put the little people in front of everyone. Oh, that's my trophy.
The champions for winter 08-09 playoffs, Broncos! Come on, Broncos! Everybody come here. Show both the trophies. Come on, everybody. Good job, guys. Give them a hand. Okay, good job. Couple of more announcements. Happy? I want you to come forward. Thank you. It was a mistake on my part. Happy is his score sheets were not entered properly. He's also one of the best bowlers from Couple division. Now get him in. Okay, sorry about the mistake. Okay, give him a hand.
Yes.
And a special thanks to our umpires for today, Naveen and Kula. Please come forward. Thank you. Thank you for inspiring us. Good game. Thank you for supporting us. Our summer is starting in 3rd and 4th week of April. Looking forward to all of you to joining in summer. Thank you so much. Good day. Thank you. You are done.
Hey, Dad.
I gave. Oh. Mohammed, I'll start. I'm asking for name. अरे प्रदीप भाई अब लेट हो गए यार.
Hey, mister!
अरे यार, so okay. I think your trophy is with me. There you go. Sorry, man. Oh yeah. You're still coming in the picture.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Good job.
PTA kids, can you keep all the chairs and everything inside?
Yeah. Bas,
Daddy,
anyway, these they belong to somebody else. Okay, so let me go and put.